If you want to run ads that actually make profit in 2025, you need to stop guessing. But simply copying your competitors is the fastest way to burn your entire budget. Because what works for them won't work for you, unless you steal their psychology, not their creative. And I found a way to make the new Gemini 3 to do this for you, for free. I've been in marketing for 12 years. This deep analysis used to take me a week. Yesterday I did it in 5 minutes. Here's how most people study ads. You sit at your desk, you have 50 tabs open, screenshots everywhere, and you ask, why is this headline working? It is slow, it is messy. That's why agencies charge so much money, because it is hard work. But now we have Gemini 3. It's powerful isn't coding, it's powerful is seeing. It understands ads better than most beginners. Let me show you how. Step 1. Gathering. We don't steal blindly. Go to the Facebook ad library, find a competitor, and if they're paying for ads, the ads are working. Take a screenshot, just a screenshot. And a little tip, if the ad has been running for more than a month, it is making money. Step 2. Analysis. Now drop that screenshot into Gemini. Here is the exact prompt I use. Don't try to write it down, just screenshot this right now. You are an elite marketer and a psychology expert, level David Gilvey. I uploaded a screenshot of a successful ad. Your job is to reverse engineer this creative. Answer these 4 questions simply. Hook, what stops the scroll, the image, the headline. Psychology, what is the hidden trigger, greed, FOMO, status. Structure, what formula are they using. And secret sauce, why does this work for this audience? Gemini reads the ad like an X-ray, it finds the real trigger. Most of the time, it's not the discount, it's the status or laziness. When you see this ad, everything clicks. Step 3. Improvement. Now let's make this your ad. We don't copy, we upgrade. Here's the second prompt, and let's pretend I'm not selling apps today. Let's pretend I sell expensive coffee for tired dads. Let's see if Gemini can handle that. Great! Now apply the same psychology and structure to my product. My product is elite coffee for dads who get no sleep. Using the exact same trigger, write 3 ad texts, short, medium and long, 3 visual ideas, what should be in the photo to create a strong hook, and 1 tweak, add one thing the competitor missed, like numbers or a bold question to make it stronger. Look at this magic, it didn't just copy, it rewrote it for my customers. It is a ready-to-use script. Take it and shoot it. Now we have a system, but doing this by hand every time, yeah, that gets boring. Right now I'm testing a full automation with N8N. The AI collects the ads, it saves them to a sheet, it analyzes them while I'm asleep. If you want the tutorial for this automation, comment "I want autopilot" below. If you get at least 10 comments, I will make part 2 and give you the blueprint. Gemini 3 is powerful, but tools change fast. And if you want to see what actually beats ChatGPT right now, there is a video I think you'll love. It breaks down the real upgrades, the stuff that saves time and the stuff that's just hype. Tap it here on the screen, I'll meet you in the next one.